Alright guys, welcome back to another recap, and in today's recap we got ourselves another green day. Yay! So another green day today. Today was actually really choppy, so I'm gonna go over all my trades here, and I am surprised I made this much compared to what the market had to offer today. If you guys are new to this recap channel, I stream live every single day. I actually just had to go back and watch my live trade, which you guys can also watch. So if you go to my YouTube channel, you guys can see I was watching it because it was so choppy today. I didn't even know where I made my money, so I had to go back and look at it so I can explain this recap. So if you guys go over to my YouTube channel, you go to live, you guys can see every single live trade that I've had for every single live trading session for the first 2 hours for the last year. It's been like a year exactly, a year and a day. So you guys can check it out here, and then obviously you guys can tune in live during these every single market open, 15 minutes before market opens, completely free. You guys don't have to pay or give me anything to watch me trade live free. I got like over 100 people on YouTube, and then like 200 to 300 on Tradecaster as well. So you guys come on in. And then aside from live trading, every single day I try to do my recaps. So you guys, obviously it's what you guys are watching, but please hit the thumbs up if you guys like these recaps. Please leave some comments so more people can come out and watch these, and the algorithm promotes it to more people. Enough rambling. On today's final P&L, I have it blocked because you probably guys already know, so you guys have to listen through the intro. 912 bucks on the day, and pretty clean trading. So I took two red trades to start off the day. I was able to close them out really quick, so I went down like, I think the first trade was 120 bucks, and then the next trade I went down like another maybe 70 bucks because I went down like 200 bucks, 180, 190. And then after that, I just watched my video. It was like green trade, green trade, green trade, green trade. So that's why it looks like straight up. It wasn't a one great trade that made me all this money. It was like I went back to 50, and then 200, 400, and then 600, 700, 770, 800, 820, 850. So I stacked a lot of base hits. And if you guys see Tesla today, so I'm going to move that out the way. This was Tesla, not a lot of range, not a lot of momentum, not a lot of breakouts, false breakouts, flushes. So today was tough to break. So today was tough to trade. So I'm honestly glad that I'm up 900. Now you guys obviously saw my calendar. I am all green for this month. I am actually doing pretty good, so I'm happy. But I've never had an all green month, and I'm kind of aiming for that. But at the same time, I'm trying to reach the next level. You guys see my consistent gains have been a little bit bigger, and so I am trying to take advantage of this huge cushion that I have in March. And I told myself today, if I get myself green 5, 6, maybe even 4, 300 bucks, maybe even more, 9, 700, 800, 900 bucks, I'm just gonna go ahead and say to myself, if I lose 800, 900 bucks, I'm still up 5 figures on the month, well over 5 figures on the month by this point now. Well, not well over, but yeah, I'm past that. Worst case scenario, even if I go red $1,000, every single day next week, it's still over 5 figures in a month. That's great, So, but on the other hand, I could get one of these days to go 3,000, maybe push to 4, 2, 3, 4 if I get lucky and get the big trade. The only problem was obviously today there was not a single place in here I felt comfortable to say, what, this is it. Even though I got myself up 5, 6, 7, 8, I didn't find that trade, to go boom, 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 slam it. So either way, I'm happy with this. Next week, tomorrow, and this kind of does make 4 green weeks in a row. I've had moments like this. Just calendar-wise, I've not had a green month. Okay, enough rambling. Let's get to the trades. So here are the actual trades, so you guys can see them. I only really traded the first, I think, probably hour. So here are the trades. Very clean trading today. Like, I didn't barely even scalp this thing. I only 5,000 volume and made 900 bucks, so that's awesome. The first 2 trades that I took was trying to go long on this thing, trying to catch a bounce. So off the gates, I thought this thing, I was a little bit more bearish on this stock. There was a gap fill on the daily that I thought would come down and fill under 188. So under this level right here, I thought this thing could go back down to 180. I think it was 86. So 188 to 186. I was looking at this gap fill right here. Didn't quite get it, but so this morning kind of stuffed it view up, and I thought these 2 red candles here should have gone lower. So that's why I took a stab long here, kind of breakthrough view up, and maybe we get a new high day. Obviously that's stuff, so that was the first trade. I lost 120 bucks. I think I tried it again, like another dip buy somewhere down here. Try to get in the pop here, see if we get a push back up to VWAP. I was looking at this 190 on pre-market, thinking maybe 190 holds. So this 190 there, all of these here, thinking maybe we hold 190. We didn't. As soon as 190 broke, then I was kind of looking for a short trade. So I missed this pushback down because I was long here, so I had to stop out there. So I missed this pushback down. And then I missed the pop here. This was, I think, yesterday's low of the day. So I missed that long there. But as soon as this thing popped 190, I entered a short here. Now, at this point, or maybe I did get a long off of here. Because these two trades here. No, I got a short here. I got a short somewhere through here. And then maybe I got a long. But right here, I went down 120. And then I went down 200 with this other long right here. And then I might have even, now it's not showing it, my trades. There it is. So I did take the short there. So I got a short down. And I think that short right there might have literally almost given me back my 200 bucks, because I remember after that trade I was pretty much break even on the day. And this short that I hit up here, I nailed this top there, I think 500 shares short, and I followed it down almost all the way down to the lows. And that trade itself, you know, I went from being down 200 break even to now sitting on the day at like positive 500 just off of that trade. And I was like, what? So it turned the day around. I mean, it's not really selling off, there's no continuation or anything like that, but I was able to take advantage of that tiny little move there and got myself green 100. Missed the long through here. At this point, I was in between 190 and 188.5. So if we were to break 190, I'm taking this long. If we break 188.60s, I'm taking this short. At this point, I ended up getting a long through here. I think I got this long there. Got this push here. Missed this short, but I'm glad I kind of missed it now. On stream I was like, oh, I missed that short. I thought this was going to go straight back down to 188, but ended up reversing, went right back up. Kind of chopped around through here, and honestly, after that, it was literally like base hits behind base hits. So let me see where else I took a couple trades. Some of these trades I was literally making 70, 80 bucks, you know. As soon as this thing popped up to the highs, or as soon as this thing popped down here, I took a long there again, kind of risking 190, took that long, got that nice pop. Took, looks like once it's stuffed, I took the short back on down, and then looks like either I took a long there, a short, 190, 71, 190, 90. So I took a long there for the high of day, didn't get it. Another short here, short there. Once I saw the stuff rejection at 191, stuff, short, followed it down. Didn't get to move back down to VWAP or 190. This is kind of the move I was looking for here. Didn't get it, didn't re-hit it either. And then just literally just tiny base hits around here. So honestly, just a very clean trading day with a surprise $900 day on the P&L. Now I did miss this kind of short through here. I think I had already gone off a stream somewhere around here, and so I kind of missed the short, and honestly I wasn't going to keep trading. This thing was selling off, but it was selling down so slowly that it wasn't anything that I had, you know, full conviction to even jump in 1,000, 1,500 shares or something huge, you know, to make it count. So I'm just gonna take the green off the table. I think I'm ending the week very close to another 5K week. I've had a couple of them this year, so I'm really happy so far with my performance. But yeah, so you guys have a good weekend. Kind of a quick recap today, so hopefully you guys got in here, saw exactly where I took my trades. You guys can follow them as well on the live sessions here on YouTube. Just go to the live. If you guys are new and want to learn how to trade or want to use me as a mentor, I do have that as well. I don't usually promote it as much, but if you go to any video here, all you have to do is go to the recap description, and then you guys can see my course right there. There's a coupon there. You guys can click that, see the whole curriculum if you guys are interested. You do get full mentorship, so I can look over your trades, hop on some calls with you or anything like that. So you guys do that. But other than that, you guys have a good weekend. You guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys on Monday locking in another green day. Let's go.